Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2024 Buick Encore GX. Guys, as the smallest model in Buick's all SUV lineup, the 2024 Encore GX carries a heavy weight on its compact shoulder. It talks with a luring younger bias to the brand, but its premium but not quite luxury look and feel it a hard sell once it's parked next to Audis, BMWs and Volvos it competes with. While it's cheaper than SUVs from those brands, its allure is also far lower. Those who take a chance on the Encore GX will find a similar level of equipment but also mainstream interior material quality and weak performing turbocharged 3-cylinder powertrain handling is downright boring. But Big's brand doesn't include back row thrill like other Big's SUV. The Encore GX ride is comfortable, but its huge cabin is well isolated from road noise, which we think is the SUV's most luxurious feature. As the Encore GX receives a styling makeover for 2024 complete with sleeker exterior lighting element, reshaped from the rear bumpers and an updated grille. The refresh also includes new wheel design and the introduction of Big's updated Tri-Shield logo on the nose and tail. Interior changes are intended to bring the Encore GX upmarket and include a new 2019-inch wheel, digital dashboard comprising an 11.0-inch infotainment touchscreen and an 8.0-inch quad display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and a wireless smartphone charging pad is available as an option. The mid-range select trim has been replaced with the sport torching model that wears black aluminum wheel, a gloss back mesh grille, and a flat bottom steering wheel. The top level trim has been replaced with the Envir trim, which goes up the Encore GX further with specific exterior finishing. The Avenir also features a more luxurious cabin with leather and polyester, a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, an air ionizer, and immobilizer headrest bearing the Avenir logo. While when compared to rivals such as BMW X1 and Mercedes-Benz GLA 250, the most expensive Envir trim looks like a great value. Its starting price is 1,000 less than those German SUV, and while interior material in the Buick are not quite as nice, the Avenir trim stuffs the Encore GX with proper luxury features. Guys, the Encore GX lineup relies on a pair of turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. The base version is a 1.2-liter that develops 137 horsepower and an optional 1.3-liter unit pumps that up to 155. A continuously variable automatic transmission is standard on front-wheel drive model, while AWD variants upgrade to a 9-speed automatic. An AWD Encore GX with a larger 1.3-liter 4-cylinder requires a slothful 9.3 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. This is a bummer since the Encore GX luxury brand rival offer more powerful engine and far quicker acceleration time. Thankfully, the Encore GX feels peppier than its acceleration results suggest, particularly around town where the small turbo engine makes the most of its reasonably low end current. The Buick ride is also agreeably smooth and controlled, but it doesn't offer any handling thrills. Guys, while the IPA has not released fuel economy estimate for the 2024 Encore GX yet, we expect those numbers to be unchanged from the 2023 model. The larger of the three-row SUVs, cylinder economy ratings from the IPA in 2023, while front-wheel drive and CVT the turbocharged 1.3-liter achieved up to 32 mileage highway. Going with the smaller 1.2-liter model dropped that figure to 30 mileage. Opting for the 1.3-liter with all-wheel drive and the 9-speed automatic needed a highway rating of 29 mileage. However, on our 200-mile highway fuel economy test tour, the Encore GX with the larger engine, all-wheel drive and 9-speed automatic managed 30 mileage, beating the IPA estimate by 1 mileage. Guys, for more information about the Encore GX fuel economy, visit the IPA's website. Guys, Buick positioning in the market is in the line between luxury and mainstream, so it's better equipped than base level version of rivals such as the Nissan Kicks and Subaru Crosstrek, but it doesn't provide the same level to fit and finish as an Audi, a BMW or a Volvo. The Encore GX front passenger seat folds flat to aid in loading longer items. We fit 5 carry-on suitcases behind the GX rear seat and 16 with the rear seat folded, which is only a few less than the slightly larger Cadillac XT4. Guys, the Encore GX infotainment system looks like in the curved panel that extends from behind the steering wheel to the center of the dashboard. An 11.0-inch touchscreen provides access to Buick's latest user interface, which is both snappy and is responsive and intuitive to you. A separate 8.0-inch screen serves as the driver Power display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are standard, as is a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.